I've had a bunch of questions about how I clean my cards when I do the no fleece left behind because that gets really, really, really dirty. So while I'm thinking about it, I'll just show you real quick. You can see there's fiber left in my cards. So handles together, tips together. Just drag those forward teeth through the lower card. So you're basically lifting the guck out of this side. Then do the other side, do it the other way. And then if you do this, that loosens up most of the fiber to the surface. So pick all that off. Do that a few times till you get the fiber out. Then what I do to get the dirt that accumulates in these, flip it upside down, and the dirt will fall out. If you're still having issues, there is a handy little tool that I use, and that is this. You can see how it's got these tines. You can also see how often I use it because it's full of guck. This is actually for cleaning hairbrushes. You can get it on Amazon. If I think of it, and if they still have it listed, I'll post a link in the description. You can get smaller ones at the dollar store and stuff. That'll at least get you going. And then you just with the big ones to get any loose stuff out, and then to get that really fine stuff, you can still see it's still stuck in there. This will just pluck it right out. I see I need to straighten some teeth on here too. I should probably just do a whole video on caring for equipment. I do care for mine occasionally. I mean, I am rough and tough on it, but they do get spa days now and then. So there we go. Card is cleaned. All the bits and pieces are out of it. I've had these cards probably, well, since I started spinning. So like I learned with these, I've beaten and abused these. I've done all sorts of things with these, and they're still holding up really well. I would recommend them for sure. I've enjoyed them. And I mean, I do believe that equipment should be able to take a little bit of abuse and be able to fix it yourself, because otherwise, if the slightest little bump is going to break it, that's a problem for me, because I am a complete and absolute klutz. But anyways, we're not talking about my klutziness. We're talking about this handy little tool that I use to clean my cards. And you can sit there and like literally pick out every little bit of debris, and it'll get caught in these little tines here. And you can just pull those apart to clean them out. Get out all the little hairs and stuff. And it does a dandy job. So it's just a hairbrush cleaner. You can also use this on your drum carder. I've used it on my drum carder and it works fantastic. Gets out all those little bits that get way down in there. Excellent little tool, worth the investment. This one is an Olivia Garden, and it's called the Brush Cleaner. It's a really handy little tool. Highly recommend it.